Friends, welcome to our channel CNC Programming and Die Mold, and today we will cover this revolving tool. This is very important feature in NX. We have this revolve command, and in this revolve command we can create any turn part, any spherical part, any cylindrical part, all the round parts which have any axis like wheel, shaft, pulley, bolt, these type of parts which have some axis. You can see the part which can be manufactured with the help of turning machine. You can design with the revolve command. In revolve command, three things are very important. One, the contour profile, the sketch what we are going to revolve, and one main axis is needed because the profile or contour will rotate about the main axis. And third, angle of rotation, at what angle you want to rotate your component. You can see here, this is the cylindrical part, and with respect to this axis, this is the axis, with respect to axis it will rotate. So in this sketch you can see here is a contour, that is a circle, and this circle will rotate with respect to axis, and it is revolve at certain angle. In this sketch you can also see a profile which will revolve at an angle. And one more thing you have to consider, this profile or sketch should not be cut the axis of rotation, otherwise it will not revolve. This is the main important thing. Here are the some example. These all are axisymmetric part, profile and ellipse with the respect to axis. You can cut with the help of this revolve command as well. You can create, you can cut. This is one of the example. This will, you can design this part with the help of revolve command. So let's start revolve command. For the revolve command, first I will go to this sketch task and select the plane and click OK. Here I'm going to close. Here I will create a close contour. This is my close contour. So my first condition is completed, a close profile is there. If you want to create a axis, you draw a line and convert it. I have drawn a line, and now convert this line as a reference line or axis line and finish the sketch. Now just choose this revolve and select the profile and axis. This is my axis, and it will revolve about 360 degree about the axis. You can change this angle 270. Now the component will look like this, and this is the first step. And for second, this boolean command, first we have to design, you have to create something, then we will create another thing what we want to cut. Just draw a circle, another circle, and one more circle. I have 3 circles here. Now I want to cut this circle like a groove. Just select the axis of revolution, and what are the curves? These are the curves. These are my profile curve. You want to change the angle, just change, and if you select none, both will come, or if you select the subtraction, so what will happen, it will cut from the previous object. can cut about an axis. This is also possible with the help of this revolve command, this revolve. And now I will close this. For another example, now just select a plane, and this time I will choose a open profile. In this example, I will use finish. Now finish this. For a open profile, I will choose this revolve and select the profile. Now axis, this will be my axis, and you can see you will revolve it, it automatically convert it into the solid part, and it will assume this curve as a closed curve. If you select change this solid to sheet, it will be a surface, it will come in a surface with a 0 thickness. And in solid you can create a solid profile as well with the help of this offset command. 1, so thickness is 1 inside and 2 sided, so you can also type -1, so thickness will be 2, 1 inside and 1 outside. See this. So it is a very useful command, and mostly we use this, and click OK. So hope you understand this revolve command properly, and by the use of this command you can use this boolean command in this object as well. For this revolve part, I'm going to create circle, one more circle at the end, and the diameter. I have 2 circles here, and now I want to cut one circle and I want to create a revolve feature with one. So let's select a revolve. When you click this, both will highlight. Just go and change the single curve and click one curve. Now my axis is this, and what you want to do, I want to subtract this. Just select subtract the first, the second will cut from the first one, and for this second one I want to extrude this and want to unite, so result will something like, and if you want to cut this, the result will come like this. And now hide this, hide this. Some more feature is available like a fillet, we will cover in next upcoming videos. This one, or just delete this, and if you want to create it hollow, select just shell command and click OK. You can create a hollow part. And if you want to create and you want to define or apply any material So go with this and apply a matly shape. That's all for today. So friends, see you with next video. Till then, have a nice day and keep watching our channel. Thank you.